Hi, I'm Josh Dembicki, and together with my wife, Tanisha, we own and operate Bellwether. We started Bellwether back in 2017 under the name Colorado Siding Repair. And over the years, we've become one of the top choices for siding replacement, siding repair, and window replacement in Colorado. At Bellwether, our goal is simple: help homeowners make smart, lasting decisions about their homes. When it comes to durability, safety, value, James Hardie fiber cement siding is the product we recommend the most. We recommend it time and time again. It has a Class A fire rating per ASTM E84 with a flame spread index of 0 and a smoke developed index of 5 or less. That sounds like a bunch of technical stuff. It is. It's the thing to know, it's approved in wall assemblies with 1 hour and 2 hour fire ratings. The bottom line is James Hardie siding gives you time. Time to get out, time to protect what matters, and time to rebuild if you ever need to. James Hardie siding is engineered to resist moisture absorption and breakdown season after season. If you want to avoid regular siding repair in Colorado due to weather damage, Hardie is your answer. James Hardie siding is pest resistant and hassle-free. If you've ever dealt with woodpeckers, termites, or pests that love to chew through traditional siding, you know the pain. With Hardie siding, you won't have to worry about that. Fiber cement holds no appeal for pests. It can't be pecked, chewed, or tunneled through. No more surprise holes in your siding or extra maintenance bills. With James Hardie's complete exterior, you get siding, trim, and soffit products all made from the same high-performance fiber cement. That means everything wears and ages at the same rate. You don't have mismatched lifespans. You can plan one maintenance cycle for your exterior and then enjoy your home. Even better, one manufacturer, one 30-year non-prorated warranty, and a local team, that's us, Bellwether, who knows the product inside and out. James Hardie siding is engineered for climate and for Colorado. Only Hardie offers the Hardie Zone system, which means that the product is customized, manufactured based on where you live. Here in Colorado, we install HZ5 siding. HZ5 siding is designed to resist shrinking, swelling, and cracking, to hold up through freeze-thaw cycles. It's designed to stand strong against dry heat, heavy sun, and sudden snowstorms. You know, we get some crazy temperature swings. HZ5 is engineered for that. Other siding may claim to work everywhere. Hardie siding is built for right here in Colorado. Bellwether is Colorado's trusted guide for siding replacement. At Bellwether, we don't just sell James Hardie siding, we believe in it. We've installed it on thousands of Colorado homes, and we stand by its ability to perform in the most extreme conditions. Whether you're looking for full replacement siding or partial siding repair, we can help you make the right choice for your budget and your goals. If you're not quite ready for the full transformation, check out our sister company, Colorado Siding Repair, for expert repairs and smaller projects that still make a big difference while also protecting your budget.